welcome to Auto's Play, the home of automotive passion, lifestyle, and the latest innovations on wheels. Today, we dive into the stunning 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a perfect combination of engineering brilliance, cutting-edge technology, and lifestyle comfort designed to redefine how you experience travel on the road. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a complete travel companion built to offer comfort, safety, and performance for every journey. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome showcases a bold exterior that reflects both strength and elegance. Its front fascia is highlighted by a wide chrome grille embedded with the Chevrolet emblem, paired with adaptive LED matrix headlights that ensure maximum visibility in any driving condition. Aerodynamic sculpting reduces drag, improving efficiency while giving the motorhome a futuristic stance. The body integrates lightweight aluminium panels and composite materials, enhancing durability without compromising weight balance. Electric sliding side doors and smart access systems provide convenience, while large tinted panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the surroundings. On the sides, you'll notice flush-mounted handles, body-colored fender flares, and retractable steps that automatically deploy when doors open. The rear features full-width LED tail lamps, high-mounted brake lights, and an integrated rear camera for complete visibility while reversing. The roof is equipped with solar panels, satellite connectivity, and a dual-zone climate management ventilation system, ensuring continuous comfort and power support during long trips. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome also integrates advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. A 360-degree camera system offers real-time monitoring, while vehicle-to-everything (V2X) communication enhances awareness of nearby road conditions. The suspension system is tuned for smooth handling, with electronically controlled dampers adjusting to road surfaces instantly. This motorhome is designed with the traveler in mind, offering generous storage compartments, roof racks, and hidden luggage spaces. It features heavy-duty tires built for endurance, mounted on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels designed for both highway comfort and off-road capability. The braking system uses ventilated discs with anti-lock braking, ABS, and electronic stability control, escape, for maximum safety. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome brings a whole new definition of luxury. Step inside and you are welcomed by a spacious cabin finished in premium leather, natural wood trims, and ambient lighting that can be customized through the infotainment interface. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, with a 15-inch LED display, augmented reality navigation, and advanced voice command controls. Connectivity is at its peak with 5G capability, Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Bose surround sound system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. The living area is designed for comfort and functionality. It includes a modular seating arrangement that transforms into a dining or lounge space, along with a fold-out dining table. The kitchen area comes equipped with an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and smart storage cabinets. The bathroom unit is compact yet luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, eco-water management system, and modern fixtures. Sleeping arrangements are equally refined, with a queen-size bed, adjustable climate zones, and panoramic skylights that make stargazing possible from the comfort of your bed. Finally, the heart of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome lies in its powertrain. Chevrolet offers a hybrid power system that combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors, delivering both efficiency and power. The hybrid system generates over 500 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel economy for long-distance travel. The motorhome includes a 150 kWh battery pack that allows extended electric-only range, with fast charging capability ensuring quick stops on the go. Its drivetrain offers both all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive modes, making it suitable for highways and rugged terrain alike. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is not just about transportation, it's about creating unforgettable road trips, family adventures, and a lifestyle that blends luxury with mobility. Every detail has been crafted to ensure drivers and passengers experience the ultimate blend of technology, safety, and comfort. Don't forget to subscribe Autos Play for more latest automotive updates.